Hi guys, I'm so happy to welcome you here, and this is tutorial about the CapCut app, how to take a negative photo on this application. So let's check the settings. The first step is to open our CapCut app, go to the camera section album to find some photo you want. I will show you how to make this photo in the negative mode. Let's import it guys, and don't forget to remove this default ending from the CapCut. So we have our perfect feature, and right now I will also show you how to make it in negative. Let's open our effects after tapping on this section and tap on the video effects one. There is a lot of cool features, a lot of cool modes you can activate for your video, for your photo, but I want to go to the nightclub section, and let's swipe this menu a little bit down. And as you can check here, we have a lot of different negative options: blue negative, standard negative, purple negative, etc. You can set any you want, but I prefer this one, orange negative. Let's tap to adjust. So we can correct the speed of this effect. I want to set it on 10 level, and the color intensity I want to make it like a 50. Let's tap on the arrow and the check mark to save. Don't forget that after dragging these white lines you can correct the duration and the time when this effect will appear on your video. So I will set it on a half of my video, of my clip. And let's check the result after going to the full screen mode and tapping on play K. I definitely so like it. So guys, this short tutorial I hope was definitely interesting. If it's helpful, don't forget to set likes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool tricks and tutorials about this CapCut app and other programs. So guys, goodbye, good luck!